being your authentic self will always make you stand out. I think showing what you're truly passionate about, who you are as a person, what you care about, what you're drawn to, those are, I think, are the qualities that from what I have seen and what I've experienced, really make a person's sort of portfolio pop out when we're looking through websites at work for aspiring juniors. There really is nothing like your voice. Having a voice that sounds like you, that is a voice like no one else's. I think if that can kind of come across in your work and on your website or in your social posts or whatever, that I think goes a long way. Like I think I've heard people say that the most interesting part of a student portfolio or an aspiring junior's portfolio is the About Me page. That's where sort of you can let yourself out, where you can show people who you really are, what you care about. So it certainly, if you understand emerging technology, that's always going to be a great thing. But I also think there is always going to be tremendous value in knowing who you are and not being afraid to show it and bringing, as we say, sort of bringing your whole self to work.